Welcome back to Summarize Science, where complex breakthroughs are broken down into simple terms. Today, the focus is on a massive leap forward in how computers understand the human body in 3 dimensions. Human mesh recovery is the process of taking a flat 2D image from a normal camera and figuring out exactly where every joint and limb is in 3D space. While existing AI models like SAM 3D Body are incredibly accurate, they were previously far too slow for live video or controlling robots. It used to take several seconds for the AI to process just one single image, making real-time use impossible for most practical applications. To fix this, researchers created a new framework called Fast SAM 3D Body. This new system achieves an end-to-end speedup of over 10 times compared to the previous version. One of the most interesting parts is that the core AI model did not need to be retrained to make it this much faster. Instead, the researchers looked at the bottlenecks that were causing the most delay in the original system. They discovered that the AI was wasting time processing different parts of the body one after another, like a single file line. By using a clever shortcut, they decoupled these dependencies, allowing the AI to look at the body and the hands at the exact same time. This parallel processing is a key factor in moving from seconds per frame to milliseconds per frame. The framework also uses a technique called compute-aware decoding to prune away redundant calculations that were not necessary for a high-quality result. This keeps the system lean and allows it to run efficiently on standard high-end hardware. Perhaps the most impressive jump is in how the AI translates its mathematical model into a format robots can actually use. The old way involved a slow, iterative fitting process that required hundreds of steps per person. The researchers replaced this with a direct neural mapping that is a staggering 10,000 times faster than before. All these changes mean the system can now process a video stream at about 65 milliseconds per frame on an NVIDIA RTX 5090. To prove it works, the team tested the software using a single camera setup to control a real humanoid robot. The robot was able to mirror a person's movements in real time, including complex tasks like squatting, kneeling, and even walking. Because it only requires a single RGB camera, this removes the need for expensive motion capture suits or uncomfortable wearable sensors. To recap the important points, the researchers have taken a powerful but sluggish AI and streamlined its entire workflow. They achieved a 10.9 times overall speedup while maintaining the same high-fidelity reconstruction quality. They eliminated slow serial steps and replaced them with lightning-fast parallel processing and direct mappings. This means real-time humanoid control is no longer a distant dream, but a current reality. In the future, this could lead to more helpful home robots that can assist us by simply observing our physical actions. It also opens doors for much better virtual reality avatars and advanced biomechanics research. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of AI vision, be sure to subscribe to Summarize Science. We will continue to bring you the latest breakthroughs in a way that makes sense. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.